The shoebill, or Balaeniceps rex, is a large and exotic water bird that inhabits the swampy areas of tropical Central Africa. Known for their boot-like beaks, they are about 1.2 to 1.5 meters tall and have wide wingspan. They eat fish, reptiles, and small mammals using their strong beaks. They are often considered a rare and threatened species due to habitat loss and illegal hunting. Conservation efforts include protecting wildlife habitats and monitoring populations to support the shoebill's survival. This bird attracts the attention of scientists and wildlife enthusiasts because of its unique appearance and important role in the African swamp ecosystem.